Hi there, this is Monkey from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website Custom Pets. I really like your logo. It looks very professional and it's very clear to see, which is perfect. I love the free shipping worldwide information. It would be great to link it to the shipping page, but otherwise than that, it is good because you inform about it on every page, so people can see it on any page on your website. I like that it picked up my location and allows me to change currency, which is great. So the products will have currency in British pounds, which is fantastic. I love the top menu, buy now, good call to action, other trust signals, which is perfect. Um, for some reason, you've got featured products that are not related to the pet need. So I would work on the setting of the featured products. Otherwise, it won't help your conversion because obviously the traffic coming to your website will be interested in pet products. So yeah, worth working on the settings. Um, the sliding images are great, but I would love to see the images of your products here instead, because otherwise it looks like some kind of charity organization for wellness of dogs. It doesn't really, they are not made to convert visitors into shoppers to make them actually shop because they don't see products at this stage. They still don't know what you're offering. You've got featured product below, which is perfect. I'll close this window. So I can see different colors and so on. So you show the color switches as well, which is really good. Add to cart, different sizes as well. It would be great to link to obviously the size guide so people know, for example, what breeds, which size is good. So this is another way to improve conversion rate for your pet's convenience. Shop now. So dog harness, okay. So you are showing almost the same product. I understand that you're selling only dog harnesses. Okay, right. Let me just check the product. Okay, so I understand that you are one product shop. So that's good. Okay, by now. Okay, that's great. You actually have got plenty of content that keeps visitors quite engaged. What I would do, yeah, as I mentioned, show your product in the sliding banner. But otherwise than that, uh, it looks great. Your pets, this was a little typo. The pets doesn't need apostrophe because it's a plural version. Refund policy, I would add unique refund policy because this default policy, it not only see that there's another unrelated product, it not only mentions products that you're not selling, such as food, flowers, newspapers, downloadable goods, CDs, DVDs, VHS tapes, which can sound quite confusing, but also it adds this kind of duplicate content which works against your SEO. So writing your unique policy will also help you with conversion rate, building your authority and trust as well. Okay, which is great. Shipping times, which is fantastic. Okay, it's great. track your order number, so someone can put order number and email address, which is fantastic as well, very user friendly. You've got contact us page. Okay. Yeah, this is really good. I would add a little bit more content such as videos, blog posts to keep visitors browsing for longer. The longer people stay on your website, the better it is for your SEO because you've got only one product. You have to keep adding more content to keep people browsing for longer. I mean, your homepage already has plenty of nice content, but adding video and keep adding the new blog posts will help you improve those scores such as the dwelling time and how people engage with your content, which is very important to Google as well. Your SEO score is 48 out of 100, so definitely gives you a lot more room for improvement. It looks like you've got custom domain name which wasn't set up properly. So it means that Google reads there's two separate websites with duplicate content, which could cause the lower SEO rank, Google rank, and Google position as we see here. Um, your homepage Google snippet looks good. So custom pads, I really like the meta title. Meta description is a little bit too long. I recommend sticking to 160 characters max, otherwise it will be cut off in the search results. But otherwise than that, it is customized. I would also add call to action at the end, such as shop now or buy now or something like that. You've got H1 tag present and it's optimized to show your keyword, which is perfect. Personalized. I didn't see the personalized on your website, so if this is something that you offer, I would definitely put more attention to it on the website because from what I saw, I didn't see the mention of it, and it could be definitely helpful in getting more sales because people who are looking for personalized products might be more likely to buy from you because you are very bold that you're offering it. So yeah, definitely be bolder with the fact that you're offering personalized products. The keyword consistency is perfect. Your website loads in under 2 seconds, which theoretically is perfectly fine, but it definitely leaves room for improvement. Now websites tend to load in under 1 second, and people start getting used to this new norm. So if you want to work on this, I definitely do encourage you to do this because it will not only improve your Google ranking, but also user experience and conversion rate. You've got a number of broken links, so I would definitely work on these because they can also cost you a lot of sales and SEO. I hope you liked this critique, and if you would like to learn how to fix the issues mentioned in this video, please book a free chat. The link is in the email, and our team will be happy to spend time with you and explain how to fix any of the elements and show you through the screen recording how to implement the changes yourself. And also, if you liked the tips received, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile, and the details are also in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.